Audit automation has come a long way, yet one step still demanded time and effort. While AutoMap handled most ledgers seamlessly, auditors still had to manually map the remaining ones, and it was tedious. As more of you began asking for faster ways to complete this step, we listened. Introducing Excel Import for ledger classification. A faster, smarter way to complete your mapping. Download the ready mapping sheet. Choose subheads from smart dropdowns. Validate instantly. Then import everything back into AssureAI in seconds. Spend less time completing mappings and more time focusing on meaningful audit work.